What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today guys, we're gonna have a closer look at these sneakers. These are the Air Jordan 36. Let's go! Yes, it's been 36 years and this is the 36 sneakers of Michael Jordan, or the Air Jordan 36. But before we continue and discuss the details of these sneakers, let me just ask you a favor. Please do like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so you could help out our channel grow and reach 100,000 subscribers. Anyway guys, let's go back to these sneakers. First of all, let me just say that this is probably the lightest Air Jordan or numbered Jordan that they ever released. I mean, 35 was definitely heavier than this. And I know after the Jordan 33, they've been trying to minimize the weight of the sneakers. And definitely, this is the lightest of all. Now let's discuss the aesthetics of these sneakers. On the upper, it's a combination of nubuck material. I'm not sure about this material, but it feels like felt to me. It's a thicker kind of felt material. It's definitely not suede, but majority of the upper is what they call the leno-weave. According to Jordan brand, this makes the sneakers really light. I haven't played on these yet, so I'm not sure how strong this material is. I haven't played on these yet, but based on what I see, it looks sturdy. I don't think this one would break unless Zion Williamson would play on these. However, they do have an overlay over here, as you can see, for added protection. Now on the midsole, you still have the Eclipse plate, which help the shoe from twisting. Now the material that they use for the midsole is Phylon, and as you can see, it's white with black speckles. Now the lining over here, as you can see in purple, is what they call a ribbon stabilizer. Now I don't know how much this helps. Now the design of this stabilizer band is inspired by the Infinity logo. Now moving to the outsole, as usual, they have this multi-directional herringbone pattern, which is really good for Jordan brand sneakers. Now they've been using this herringbone pattern for almost all the basketball sneakers that they've been releasing, at least recently. Now this is just plain rubber. However, some of the Air Jordan 36 that they will be releasing will have XDR. Now let's talk about the technology of these sneakers. Now I'm very excited and happy because for the first time they are using a Zoom Strobel unit, similar to the KD13 and KD14. So they have it on these sneakers as well. So basically the Strobel is normally the cardboard in between the upper and the midsole, and instead of cardboard, they replaced it with a Zoom unit. So basically you're stepping on a full-length Zoom. And apart from that, they double stack the forefoot area. So you can see this part, this is another Air Zoom unit. Unfortunately, on the heel side, there's no double stack Air Zoom unit. So the only zoom that you will have on the heel is the Strobel unit. Now let me show you the drawings and the inspiration of these sneakers. Now since the Jordan 31, Jordan brand have been paying homage from the previous Jordan brand models. So the Jordan 31 paid homage to the Jordan 1, Jordan 32 from the 2, Jordan 33 from the Jordan 3, Jordan 34 from the 4, Jordan 35 from the 5, and for this sneakers, it will be the Jordan 6. For all of you familiar with Jordan sneakers, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about when I say this from the Jordan 6. Now apart from this, the shape of the top is similar to the shape of the Jordan 6 top. And apart from that, the Jordan 6 was the first sneakers wherein they introduced the spoilers, which I don't really know if it helps or not, And for the Jordan 36, this is the spoiler. Now another thing that you will see here that the Jordan 6 have is the Nike Air logo. The original Jordan 6 has a Nike Air logo at the back. This one also has it. Now as you can see on top of this Nike Air logo, there's stitching. There's 2 over here and 3 over here, which symbolizes 23. Now over here you also have the shroud like the Jordan 6. So for this one you have the Jumpman logo. For the other designs or the other colorways or the PEs of this Jordan 36, you will have the player's logo on this area. Now another homage from the Jordan 6 is this square shape cut out. On the Jordan 6, you will see it on the tongue. Now I've shown you this window where you can see the air zoom unit. The Jordan 6 also have a window but it's on the side, which shows you the technology, which is the air unit. Now to check out the other details of these sneakers, as you can see, you have the Infinity logo over here. Now on this part, it mimics a chain, which Michael Jordan used to wear on his early years. And what I can remember about the chain is when he joined the dunk contest with the chain on, the gold chains. But for this one, as you can see, there is 6 loops, which symbolizes the 6 championships. On this side of the tongue, you will see number 36, 36. And then if you count the holes on this tongue tab, you will have 36 holes, which symbolizes the number 36. Now on the insole, it's just your typical foam. There's a lot of perforations, as you can see, as it makes this sneakers even lighter. Now the past Air Jordan sneakers have been using braille as part of the design of the sneakers. And for this sneakers, it's on this part, on this toe area, there is a braille writing over here. And then it also has braille over here, as you can see, before the lace loops. Now I'm very excited to wear these and play on these, because one of the things that I don't like about Air Jordan sneakers is that they are very heavy. And since the 34, it's been lighter. 35, I can't say it's lighter than the 34, but this one is definitely the lightest, at least compared to all the Air Jordan sneakers. So I can't wait to wear these and play hoop on these sneakers. So far, I'm liking the sneakers. Although if I compare this to the previous models, this is not really my favorite. But definitely, this is still a very good sneakers which fit the Jordan brand. Now, what about you? Do you like these sneakers? Do you like it better than the Jordan 35 or even the 34? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Now, the price of these sneakers is $185 US, and here in the Philippines, it is 9,695 pesos. Anyway guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the detailed look on these sneakers. I'll be doing another video comparing these sneakers with the Jordan 35 and the Jordan 34. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.